Hello everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming week. Obviously, Monday the 11th through to Friday the 15th, and the particularly autumnal start to September is forecast to continue this week. We do have one area of low pressure spinning away, as you can see on satellite image, just to the northeast of Ireland and the British Isles, and that is bringing a pretty blustery day through the remainder of Monday with a mixture of sunshine and showers. The showers particularly heavy and frequent across parts of the north and west of the country in particular. And equally, just bringing your attention to this region of cloud here. Generally within this region there is an area of low pressure which is forecast to begin to develop again within this region later on today and through into Tuesday. And essentially what this means is that whilst Tuesday will start relatively dry, unfortunately some particularly inclement conditions will arrive from the west through the course of Tuesday, with some particularly heavy rain and also potentially some strong winds as well. So a very unsettled and autumnal period of weather continuing this week. So back to the short term and taking a quick look at latest satellite and rainfall radar imagery, and you can see those scattered showers packing into many northern and western areas in particular. The further south and east you are, particularly across southeastern areas within this region, it hasn't been a bad start to Monday. Quite a lot of dry weather with some brighter sunny spells, but again otherwise through the remainder of Monday it is generally a day of sunshine and blustery showers, locally heavy showers at times as well. So let's take a look at the forecast weather charts now to put the details onto the forecast through the course of the week, and a quick look at the remainder of Monday. And again, a blustery north or northwesterly wind dominates, maintaining that risk of again sunshine and showers. Through into the evening, most of the showers do die away across central and more inland areas, but do continue around some coastal areas of the north and west. But we move into Tuesday morning. This is their weather chart for around about 6 o'clock on Tuesday morning. You can see whilst it is predominantly cloudy, there is a lot of dry weather. However, conditions will quickly deteriorate from the west as that area of low pressure approaches. Now you can see this system, it will bring outbreaks of moderate and heavy rain into western areas towards the end of the morning and through into the early part of Tuesday afternoon, and then all areas will then see a particularly wet and windy period of weather through the course of Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening. The centre of the low pressure moving directly across the country, and this is the latest weather chart for around about 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening. As a result, some particularly poor driving conditions are certainly possible for the Tuesday evening rush hour period. A lot of surface water and spray in association with widespread moderate and heavy rain. And on the southern flank of this area of low pressure, if I just show you the potential wind gusts, you can see that across southern areas of the country in particular, some very strong wind gusts are possible towards the end of Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening. Beneath the low pressure's centre, however, across central and northern areas, you can see winds are overall lighter. So that area of low pressure begins to pull away on Tuesday evening and overnight, and then through into Wednesday essentially leaves behind another day of sunshine and blustery showers. This is the latest forecast weather chart for around about 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning. The low pulling away into the North Sea, and following on behind again a blustery west to northwesterly wind and a mixture of sunshine and showers. Some of the showers through the course of Wednesday afternoon, locally heavy once again, particularly perhaps across parts of the north and west. Local downpours certainly possible, and again it will be another breezy day and certainly feeling particularly cool and chilly in those scattered showers. Now through the overnight period on Wednesday and into Thursday, a mixture of clear spells and showers is forecast to continue. Most of the showers dying away are dying back to coastal areas, so by the time we get to the early part of Thursday, as you can see, most of the showers are around coastal areas of the north and west, but many inland areas predominantly dry. However, at the moment in time, the working week is essentially forecast to end with a mixture of sunshine and showers still dominant. This is the weather chart for around about 9 o'clock on Thursday, and jumping ahead 24 hours, this cool north and northwesterly wind moving in from this direction maintains the risk of sunshine and showers, but there will still be some decent drier and brighter intervals in between, and if anything, perhaps by Friday, most of the showers becoming quite well scattered and with more in the way of drier and brighter weather by that point. So let's take a quick look at the temperatures through the course of the coming week, and overall temperatures will be slightly below, if not below average, for the middle of September. So a particularly cool, if not chilly week, certainly feeling chilly and quite cold in any wet and windy weather in particular. So temperatures this afternoon no higher than around about 11 to 14 degrees Celsius. A chilly night tonight, minimum temperature 6, 7 or 8 degrees. Through into Tuesday, maximum temperatures again particularly disappointing, no higher than around about 10 to 15 or perhaps even 16 degrees. Chilly night again then possible Tuesday night into Wednesday, 6, 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, certainly achievable across rural areas in particular. And the temperatures to end the week essentially somewhere in the region of around about 11 to 14 degrees once again. These are the latest temperatures for Thursday, for example, and if anything, minimum temperatures later in the week may well be even lower than compared with earlier in the week. And just using this as an example, through into Friday morning, the early hours of Friday morning, rural areas may well see temperatures down to just 4 or 5 degrees, so some chilly, if not quite cold nights, certainly possible later on in the week. So let's finally summarise that in our weekly weather summary. Monday the 11th through the rest of the day, sunshine and blustery showers. A shower certainly heavy at times with local downpours, and it will be windy with a strong and gusty wind, especially around coasts and hills. Through into Tuesday, a reasonable start, but otherwise it will become increasingly wet and windy through the day, so potentially very heavy rain spreading across all areas through the afternoon, and then bringing a very poor period of weather for the evening rush hour period. Certainly something to be aware of for Tuesday. And then essentially from the middle of the week onwards, it is a mixture of sunshine and showers, blustery conditions at times, but winds generally becoming somewhat lighter as the week progresses. And if anything, by the time we get to Friday, there will be quite a lot of useful dry and bright weather in between, just a few scattered showers, but it will remain chilly and with some cold nights as well. So clearly a lot going on with the weather this week. As ever, I'll be back with you in the midweek update on Wednesday, taking a look at the finer details for Thursday and Friday. So thanks for tuning in and have a great week.